Christie. This was a good idea.
Man, I can't believe all the blackberries out here. I have to come back with some grabbers.
You'd come all the way back out here just for a few of those blackberries, wouldn't you?
Yes, absolutely.
You know, I don't mind paying taxes when I have a place I can come out and enjoy like this. This is 2/3 of a mile that goes out to Lake Apopka. This is just a small section of the, it's just overhung with trees, and there's lots of wildlife. I could stay out here till dark, but I guess if you don't have some mosquito repellent, you would be wishing.
Trouble.
You would definitely probably have a bunch of bites. Hats off to Oakland, Florida. This is an awesome boardwalk. We'll see you at the turning point.
See you there.
Can't wait to see you. Take care.